welcome back. Digital Slang, welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. Today we are going to talk about some over-the-ear headphones by Anker, the SoundCore Life Q10s, a pair of budget-friendly. If you guys are on a budget and last-minute gift for the holidays, you should pick these up. They're only 40 bucks on Amazon right now, and there is a $5 coupon. And for all my bass lovers out there, these are going to be for you. These are supposed to be bass heavy, and I'm excited to check them out, hear them, and hear that bass because I am a bass lover. So let's get into it. Specs on these: Bluetooth 5.0, 60 hours of playtime, and they do support fast charging. A 5-minute charge is going to get you 5 hours. So battery life on these things is impressive. And again, the price tag just as impressive. So USB Type-C. If we take a look at the box, a picture black and red. This is the black and red, and I believe there is a blue and gold color as well. But black and red, I had to roll with that color. That is the color of Digital Slang, so we will check it out. If we turn the box over to the back, it just tells us a little bit more about the headphones. 40mm drivers that deliver high-res sound, bass up technology for that deep bass. Ultra comfortable. These are over the ear and 60 hours of playtime. Again, charge for 5 minutes, listen for 5 hours. USB Type-C, Bluetooth 5.0, and in the box we get the headphones, a USB Type-C cable, as well as an auxiliary cable. So we'll check it out. Let's open them up and just take a look. Anker is definitely becoming my new favorite in the wireless, whether it's earbuds or headphones. Anker, look, they're budget friendly and they make some quality products. I've compared a lot of earbuds over the past few months, and Anker is definitely my favorite for the price. The price you can't beat for the quality, and the headphones are going to be no different. Open up the box, little pull tab here, and we'll pull this out. And we get our first look at the Life Q10s, black and red. So here we have our USB Type-C to charge. Also our auxiliary cable, and here are the headphones. Very cool, very nice, and they feel premium. Again, they do fold. They are foldable. Now the headphones do not spin, they don't rotate, but they do fold up for ease of travel. But these are the headphones. If we take a look, they are very nice to look at. I dig the color, black and red. I'm always a fan of that color combination, and these are no different. They look pretty smooth. They look pretty sharp. We'll take off some of the plastic, and we'll dig into it. We'll do all the testing. We'll do a sound test. These are supposed to have 2 mics, so we'll do a mic test as well. But overall, first look, I dig them. We'll check them out. So under the plastic, we do have our quick start guide. And this will be our how do we sound little pamphlet. And this will be our safety guide. We'll put this stuff aside and we will bring these out. The star of the show, we're going to connect them and we'll try them out. We'll do all of the testing. But first impressions for 40 bucks. These things look dope. And if they sound just as good, then it's going to be hard for me to say anything negative about these because of the price. And it's just Anker. And I've come accustomed to believing that Anker just has good quality stuff. So let's check them out. We'll set it up. We'll go into Bluetooth settings, turn it on, power these on. SoundCore Life Q10, it already comes up. We are connected. We are all connected. Now we are going to throw them on, and it does give you the L for the left side and the R for the right side. So we'll throw them on and we'll see how they sound. Now these do not have ANC, not true noise cancellation. Anker does make headphones that do support that, but for 40 bucks I don't expect it, and these don't have it. But because of the over the ear, you're going to get a bit of noise cancellation as it is. But let's just play a song and we'll check out the sound. got one word: bass. These things are bass heavy. There is a button right here that you can turn the bass on and off, and it works very well. There's two modes. One is bass heavy and one is kind of a normal mode, but even in the normal mode, the bass is enough. But if you want that extra thump, hit that bass button, and it works very well. And I'm impressed. And there are touch controls on here as well. You got your volume controls right here, and this control right here will play and pause, and the volume controls as well. If you hold it down, will go to the next track and go back to the previous track. So we'll try all that out really quick, and then we're going to do a mic test. But let's just keep going with the testing. So music is playing. We'll go through the touch controls really quick. Again, this is your bass button, and right here is our volume up and down, but the volume also controls next track and previous track. So again, if we want to lower the volume, we just hit the volume, of course. To raise it, we go up. But if we want to go to the next track, we hold the volume button down, and it'll skip to the next track. We hold it down one more time. Next track, and from the volume down, if we hold that, back, and once again, back again. So it works really well. And play and pause, if we just hit this little button right here on the bottom, if we just hold that down real quick, pauses, hit it again, play, once again, pause. And then you also have your connection for your auxiliary, and this is your USB Type-C to charge, and this your play and pause button. If you hold that down, that will power these on and off as well. So they work very well, and the sound quality on these things is fantastic. Now I'm going to throw them back in my ear. We'll do a mic test. What up, guys? Mic test. The Anker SoundCore Life Q10's $40, $35 on Amazon. And if you like your bass, if you like that thump, these are going to be a budget-friendly pair that you might want to pick up. So check them out. Next test, we will check the latency, see if there's any delay between audio and video. No delay. I mean, maybe there's a slight delay, but it's barely noticeable. So no delay. And these are really good for 40 bucks. I don't have anything bad to say about them. And I wish they came with a folding case. I thought they did. I even said it in the beginning of the video, but there is no folding case. So that's a little disappointing. But for 40 bucks, I'm just being a little picky here. But still, the color is dope. I like the black and red. And the sound quality is really, really good. And if you like that bass, once again, these are for you. Bluetooth 5.0. And again, fast charging, 5 minutes of charging will get you 5 hours of use and 60 hours total. So crazy battery life on these things. And for the price, I mean, I got nothing bad to say about them. I'm just trying to pick them apart, and there's nothing to really pick apart for this price. The color is dope, black and red. I love it. Again, there is another color, and I believe it's a blue and gold color. But overall, these things are worth it. And if you guys like headphones, if you want a good solid pair of headphones that don't break the bank, the Life Q10s, go check them out. I'll drop the link below. But just a quick video checking out the Anker SoundCore Life Q10s, guys. Let me know what you think. We'll be back with more videos. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back soon. Peace.